I'm back out in the garage here this morning. Had a cold snap for a few days there. I didn't even come out. Couldn't get the garage over 40 degrees, but right now it's sitting about 59, 60 degrees, so I'm comfortable out here. I think it's like 39 outside. Been raining all night and all morning. Just thought I'd give a little update on my 53 here. I just popped the wheels on. I do have a rolling chassis now. Just want to see how it turned out. And I've got the engine painted. The only thing I've really got done is I got the intake on it, but just kind of checking things out. And here's the rest of the some of the parts for the engine, the air cleaner and things, and the back of the alternator. And I got the last coat of the green on the door panels and the front and back seats here, and still need to detail the dash out. I got the steering wheel. I painted the outer part of it white. I guess I'll paint that horn ring. I'll hit that with my chrome Molotov pen, I guess. But it's starting to come together. I don't remember if I even said anything about the body or not, but I did get the top polished out. Turned out really nice. I'm satisfied. Looks pretty good. But I'm getting there. Just a little bit left. Got the mufflers and the tailpipes done. I just need to I think I'm done with the distributor. I can probably go ahead and get it in, get the wires ran, and get the mufflers and the tailpipes in there on the chassis. But I'm getting there on it. Just thought I'd give an update on where I'm at. All right, that's it.